The iSpring FM15B Filter Cartridge is specifically engineered to significantly reduce iron and manganese levels in your home water supply, ensuring cleaner and safer water for your family. This filter cartridge is designed to fit seamlessly into the iSpring Whole House Water Filtration System, WGB21BM, as well as most other systems that accommodate 10-inch by 4.5-inch filters. It boasts high flow rates with minimal pressure drop, thanks to its advanced design that supports efficient water filtration without compromising performance. The FM15B stands out for its longevity, lasting up to 3 times longer than traditional options due to its robust catalytic media that remains effective over time. Manufactured to meet stringent FDA standards and verified by independent testing, this filter guarantees high quality and safety in water purification. iSpring offers exceptional customer support, including lifetime free technical assistance and an extended warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase.